The Jeannie and Cotton Show. Whoa. Hey, Jeannie and Cotton fans. Welcome to the Jeannie and Cotton Show. So today I'm going to be making some cotton candy swirls, cupcakes, and a little whipped cream. So I'm really excited and I hope these turn out. So yeah, let's get to mixing. Okay, everybody, so now I'm done, and they didn't turn out rainbow, but they're still pretty cool. So here they are. They're really cool. Let me just show you what I made with it. So I made the cupcakes, which they're really squishy and they're really soft as well. We have lots of these. Here's some of them. They're really amazing. And then I made, well, these ones, there wasn't enough room in the mold, so I just made little blue ones, and I have 4 of the, Hello Kitties. So yes, and then, since I had an extra mixture, guys, well, I had to pour some more, so I made some brownie bites. So yes, those are really cool. And also, guys, here are the whipped creams. They're really squishy as well, and they're really soft. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And comment down below, which one do you like better, the cupcake or the whipped cream?